Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you so much for taking your time to watch my videos. For all of you that are new, my name is Jelena. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. On my channel you can see a lot of cleaning and organizing motivation, a lot of DIYs and other lifestyle videos. Today I will be participating in an open challenge that is hosted by 2 wonderful YouTube creators, and one of them is Sonja from Domestic Diva76 and the other one is Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest, and both of them are great ladies, also wonderful creators. On their channels you can see so many inspirational videos, DIYs, trash to treasure videos, and I'm sure if you go ahead and check out their channels you will love what you see. I'm gonna link both of their channels in the description box down below. You can go ahead and click on the link and check them out. So today's challenge that they're hosting is called Christmas Dupe Challenge. So what that means basically is we need to find something either online or in a store, some Christmas decor piece that we really like, but it's either out of our price range or we just don't want to pay so much money for it. And in our videos we need to show everyone how we can recreate that piece of decor and make it look almost the same or the same for a very small budget. I'm going to show you what I found and how I recreated it. I really think it turned out great. There will be a playlist in the description box down below with all the participants and their videos, so make sure to go ahead and click on that link. You're gonna see so many great ideas that you may want to try. Okay, now let's go ahead and get started with the video.
So I saw this snowflake at Hobby Lobby, and honestly I cannot remember the exact price because I saw it a month ago and I cannot find it online anymore. It is out of stock, but I believe it was $24.99, so even with 50% off it still would be $12.50, and that's too much for me. So I decided I'm gonna try to make one. I purchased these beads. Unfortunately I couldn't find all the same color, but it doesn't matter, I'm gonna paint them anyway. Each was 99 cents, and then I purchased the wire that was $2.50. So all the supplies were $5.50. The first thing I did, I cut a little piece of wire and I made kind of like a ring shape, and that's gonna be my starting point. Out of that I'm gonna make 6 kind of like hands that I'm gonna attach to the ring, and that's gonna be my first part of the snowflake. And I'm gonna attach the pearls, the biggest pearls, around the ring. Next I'm gonna attach a little bit smaller beads, and I decided to go ahead with 7, I believe, on each side. Next it will be to take a little piece of wire and kind of twist it at the end of those 7 beads to make like 2 little handles or particles, and that's where the smaller beads are gonna go. I think it's gonna be so much easier to see what I'm doing than explaining it. After I added all the beads that I wanted, I cut off the excess wire, and then I twisted the end of the wire to make sure all the beads stayed in place. Now this is what completes my snowflake look. Honestly, I really like the way it looks with all these different colors, but I wanted to make it completely the same like the one that I found in store. So later on I'm gonna be painting it white. Now I did add a little bit of hot glue in the middle on a ring to make sure everything stays in place, but it came off. It didn't really stick really good to the wire, so it's still, everything is pretty much in a place where I want it to be, so it's okay. So I used my chalk paint in a white color to paint it, and it took me probably 2 coats to paint it, and it's okay if it's not completely perfect. Rustic is fine with me. I'm adding a little piece of jute over here if I want to hang it, and that is it. I am really happy the way this turned out. The snowflake looks beautiful and looks pretty much the same like the one in the store. Now I have a lot of leftover supplies. I think it cost me probably between $2 and $2.50 to make this snowflake, and compared to the store price, I think I did pretty good. Now, even if the store price wasn't that high, I would like to make it myself just as a challenge to see if I can recreate something like this. And I think I succeeded.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're coming from other participants' channels, don't forget to say hi in my comments and say a few words about yourself. I always like to get to know new friends. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you, so please click that subscribe button and also the bell next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Check out the playlist in the description box and also Sandra's and Sonja's channels. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!